This is pollo a la brasa, short for pollo al bracero, or as us gringos know it, rotisserie chicken. It is by far the most popular food in Peru. But this isn't Walmart rotisserie chicken. It's juicy, but not greasy, and has a satisfyingly crisp skin without being dry. This order at our favorite place, Don Tito, comes with a whole chicken, pequeños, salad, a jar of chicha morada, and enough french fries to feed 6 people. It feeds our family of 4 easily, with leftovers for later, and all this for 130 soles, or roughly $35. It's the perfect Sunday lunch, and as you can see, always has a line to eat some of the best food in the world, pollo a la brasa.